To add a resource to your Moodle website, there are a few steps you need to take to make that resource available to your students. First, you're going to need to upload your file to your files within Moodle. Now, one of our past videos went through the steps to upload your files, but really quickly we will go ahead and demonstrate that. You'll scroll down your Moodle website and under Administration, click Files. And within Files, you might have some folders that organize all of your materials. And in my case, I have a folder specifically for orientation materials. And in this video, we're going to be using a sample syllabus to demonstrate how to make these types of documents available for your students. So I'll click my orientation material folder, and you'll notice here I already have my syllabus uploaded as a PDF, but I will go ahead and show you how to do that again really quickly. We'll click Upload a File, click within the Browse field, and locate your file. Once you have found it, click Open and click Upload this file. Now my file was uploaded successfully and it is displayed here within my folder. Now PDFs are an easy way to upload and download files, so if you are able to save your documents as PDFs, it's a very good way to make your files available for your students, especially if they are trying to access those files on a computer that might not have the same program you used to create that specific document. So PDFs are a convenient way to save your files. So once you have your file uploaded within Moodle, go ahead and go back to your class page, and with editing on, we're going to add a resource to our page. Now, since we're working with a syllabus, it makes sense to add that resource under the class resources block here that I have created. If this was a document pertaining to a specific learning module or a certain week that you're working in, you might want to put it within one of the later blocks, but we will stick with the class resources block here. So under Add a Resource, we'll click here and it drops a menu down, and we're going to click Link to a File or Website. And that's going to bring up a page that allows us to name this specific resource. I'll call it the syllabus. And I can add another description here if I'd like, or I can just move down and find this specific file. And if I click Choose or Upload a File, it takes me to my list of files, and I can go ahead and navigate my folders to find that specific file. I put my syllabus under Orientation Materials, and here it is, but instead of clicking the file or clicking the checkbox, I'm going to click on Choose. And it puts that file here in the location field. And now I can choose to have it force download. So once the student clicks on it, it will ask them to download that file to their computer. So we'll go ahead and click on that, and we will click Save and Return to Course. And now you'll see that I have my syllabus here under Class Resources. If I click on it, it prompts me to go ahead and either open it or save it to my computer, and it would do the same for your students. Now you can do this for any type of file that you want to make available to your students, or you could even link to a specific web page on the internet if you'd like to do that as well.